Welcome back to 11 News at 9 o'clock. We have Michelle Karras here from the Colorado Springs Gazette because it's Wednesday. It's when we talk about what's in the Go section. How's it going?
Great. Good morning.
Good morning. So the first thing, I'm really excited about this one, board games.
Yeah, the inaugural Pikes Peak Gamers Tabletop Board Game Convention. I said that right.
Yep.
That's a lot of words.
Is this Friday through Sunday, and it's in Manatee Springs at Memorial Hall. There is a brainchild behind this. His name's Jose Valderrama. He actually has at least 700 board games in his own possession, and he's gonna bring them all there and open them up for anybody to come play and compete. It's about $20 a day to do it, and if you're super serious, you can even play overnight.
Overnight.
Yeah, I know that people that participate in these kind of conventions are super serious about it, but I think it sounds like a blast.
Yeah.
It does have fun.
And it's hard to get people to play board games these days.
No, that's not true. I think it's becoming hip again.
Maybe it's just my family. So it'd be nice to go somewhere where it's acceptable and enjoyed.
We just struggle with board games because we argue over them.
There you go. That's true. They always do.
You gotta
like
bring back the
Monopoly games.
game night.
Yeah.
There's some tradition.
Hopefully
I guess
without
I
the
should say
tension.
I'm competitive.
Oh.
Well, that'll be fun to check out.